A.P.A. was founded in 1984 by our father, who was a mechanical engineering major and diehard car enthusiast.
Historically, there's only really been two options: an expensive OE brand that overcharges for their brand name, or a low-quality reboxer that lacks quality control. Our engineering capabilities allow us to follow the OE specifications, and that's what makes us the best value in the aftermarket.
Yeah, we're very unique. Most of our competitors make full lines. So let's say valve covers as an example. You have a manufacturer that will only make valve covers and they'll do it for every car on the road. Really, our core focus is being first to market. We also have a subset of products that are premium. An example would be a water pump pulley that BMW makes plastic. We'll make it in a lightweight aluminum, or our window regulators, which come with a premium ball bearing and tighter cables.
The fact that we're a relatively small organization means we can make decisions very quickly. As soon as we see a need, we can go get approvals and we can just act on it.
All our factories are working with state-of-the-art quality requirements. QS 9000 in the previous era, now it's TS 16949. We've got about 10 engineers in our complement, so they have a diverse experience base as well as an educational base.
The key is the quality with the products. I mean, price is a good thing. You have to be competitive, but the part has to last.
We're literally just getting started. Our engineering capabilities are going to continue to grow. We're going to continue to innovate and have tremendous potential going forward.